Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your coupons in the Temu app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu. Then tap on coupons and offers. And here we have three categories: unused coupons that have been added to our account but we haven't used it in a purchase. Used coupons, so we can track back what we have spent our money or coupon money on. And expired coupons, if you have unfortunately missed the opportunity to use a coupon code for a purchase, we can see it here. So yeah, we can also enter a coupon code here under the unused tab. And here we have some offers that we can select from if we want to purchase something. And I think we can also search these promotions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.